Welcome to Rate JA, where we rate everything that embodies Jamaica. Today, we'll be counting down the top 5 saddest Jamaican Olympic moments for Tokyo 2020. So the Tokyo 2020 Olympics is over, and it was an awesome experience for Jamaicans, but not without its fair share of struggles. While it has given us some glorious moments, we have also had, without a shadow of a doubt, some very sad moments. And I believe it's important to highlight these sad moments because it shows that life is not all good days, but there'll be bad days as well, but we must overcome and move forward. Before we continue, I must congratulate and thank all the athletes who represented Jamaica at the Olympics. From the bottom of our heart, to appreciate all your time, training, and hard work. So without further ado, sit back and brace for an emotional roller coaster as we unveil our saddest moments. If you're proud of our athletes, then like, share, and subscribe. Jamaica to the world. Number 5. The men 4x100 sprint relay team does not medal. After the Jamaican men came first in the heats to advance to the final, and the US team did not advance in their heats, we all felt a rekindled hope in our men and in the possibility that they can actually win the 4x100 meter relay event. Before the heats, you could ask anybody and I tell you that the 4x100 men relay team and life support. Now, having watched the women win their 4x1, we hoped the men would do the same. But when the race started, and after the messy first baton exchange from midget to fourth, the rekindled hope started to diminish. And kudos to Oblique and Yuan, who tried to regain the lead as we all saw the effort. We would have loved to be on the podium, but that's just the nature of the sport. And of course, we're still proud of our athletes for flying the Jamaican flag high. Number 4. Tajay Gale gets injured. Now I'm sure our hearts raced when we saw the pain Tajay was in and that the medical staff was assisting him from the pit after his first of 3 jumps to qualify for the finals. And it was a sad moment indeed. According to Jamaica's medical team, he suffered a grade 1 strain to a ligament in his left knee. But with the Jamaican spirit of perseverance, Tajay insisted on taking his other 2 jumps in order to qualify, and that's exactly what he did on his third and final jump with a distance of 8.14 meters with his injury. We were all worried when we saw that he was injured because we didn't want it to be an injury that he couldn't recover from. And if he didn't continue, we would have still been proud of him. But he pushed forward with the heart of a lion. It's a bit sad because we knew for a fact that if he wasn't injured, he would have definitely won a medal for Jamaica. He finished 11th place at the finals. Even though he may not have won a medal, without a shadow of a doubt, you can bet he won the hearts of the Jamaican people. Number 3. Yannick Thompson hits a hurdle. When I watch the semi-final race for Yannick Thompson, God know me feel it. You could see all the disappointment and sadness on her face and in her reaction. It was truly a sad moment, may I tell you, when she crashed into the hurdle and unfortunately she didn't get to finish the race. We know she would have definitely moved on to the finals. And if we feel so sad, imagine how she would have felt, especially since it was her first Olympics. And as it has always been said, the hurdles event is very unforgiving. And of course, our love and support goes out to her. But as sad as this was for us Jamaicans, we saw a beautiful moment coming from it all when Luka Kozak of Hungary, who also crashed into a hurdle and did not finish, went over to pick up Yannick and hug her in comfort. It was truly one of the greatest, if not the greatest, moments of sportsmanship in the Olympics. I ain't have to ask no question if Yannick now go come back with a vengeance. Number 2. Jail Hyde hits a hurdle. Remember Mr. Hurdles unforgiving, right? Look like the hurdles never done forgive yet. I was watching Jahil's semi-final live, and with each hurdle him jump over, I say, yes youth, do it youth. Then I see him take the lead and I cut left the rest of the pack. And then came that dreadful hurdle. He stumbled over the hurdle and he lost his balance, and then it kinda looked like him gonna regain it again, but he fell. And honestly, the thing cut me so deep, I feel like a me stumble and drop. Honestly. It hurt me down to the core, cause my boss did a lead, you know. You'd a think me or R. Kelly, cause only thing I could have think about was if I could turn back the hands of time. But if I felt that way, just imagine how Jail would have feel. Our love and support definitely goes out to him, and trust me, no hurdle now go stop him after this. Number 1. Shericka Jackson does not qualify. Now we never did have to ask no question about this moment being the saddest of all. From the woman them take a broom and just does out the 100 meter clean. You already know we are look forward to the 200. So the heat time come round and here we're all watching Shericka. And the race starts. And I'm saying, how come she not dominating at the first 100 meters? Then the runners came off the curve and she was still behind. And you know our Jamaican style already. We are going to shout after the screen like the athletes are here with. Me I say run girl, and my sister she still a jog. And people me turn ninja man, come here look at me and say hold on. Something right here so. And then she eased up at the line. I thought she came 3rd place, but unfortunately she missed out qualifying by some thousands of a second. And again, if we as Jamaicans did feel how we did feel, can you imagine how she would have felt having realized she did not make it? Jackson made us know that it was a bad miscalculation, and irregardless, we still love and support her. And we know for a fact that this will most definitely not occur ever again for the foreseeable and the unforeseeable future. And here ends our list. Do you agree with our list? I want this list to be used as a point of reference that our athletes have experienced sad and disappointing times, yes. But I know that they will be bouncing back bigger, stronger, and more relentless than ever. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.